Matt from Matt Hearts Ice Cream. Today we trying the new Blizzard of the Month for March. It is the Grasshopper Mousse Pie. And yeah, that sounds pretty snazzy because it is a grasshopper flavor, which is like a mint chocolate flavor. So it's like a mint ice cream with some chocolate chunks. But then it's got little graham cracker bits in there and then some whipped cream because it's a pie. So I'm like, yeah, this sounds pretty amazing. Not very minty. I don't know. I think I kind of built this up too much in my head. I used to get these grasshopper sundaes back in the day, and those things were phenomenal. So I was kind of hoping this was going to taste like that. No, this is still super good. And it's just I was kind of hoping for a little bit more mint. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to give Dairy Queen's Grasshopper Mousse Pie 4 scoops of happiness.